Masala pav is a very popular street food in India, and I'm going to show you a variation of this masala pav. So today's recipe is butter egg masala pav. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the first step to the butter egg masala is to boil the eggs. I've taken 4 eggs. Boil the eggs for about 15 minutes on medium flame. Once the eggs are boiled, cool them and remove the shell. Next, I'm going to make the butter egg masala. For this, take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 onion large, finely chopped. Add 3 green chillies, finely chopped. The onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick mix. To this, add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Cook till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji Masala. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and cook till the masala is well combined. Next, add half capsicum finely chopped. Mix it well. Saute the masala for about 2 minutes. Add half cup of water and cook till the oil separates. Let the eggs cook for about 2 minutes. Some chopped coriander leaves. Finally, add quarter teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove. Next, I'm going to make the masala pav. Heat the tawa. Keep the flame on low. Add a little butter. To this, I'm going to add some chili powder, a pinch of Pav Bhaji Masala, finely chopped coriander leaves, place the buns on the tawa. Make sure the buns absorb all the butter. So there you go, we've seen this delicious butter egg masala pav. Now this is loaded with all the goodness of egg and it's bursting with flavors. You can enjoy this nice and hot. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.